Hi there, today we're going to talk about how to insert an image and also resize it. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this bottom right hand corner tab called Explore. I'm going to type in the image that I'm looking for, which is the orca. I'm going to select the tab where it says Images, and I'm going to scroll down to the one that I want. A key word that you should remember is click, hold, and drag. So when you want something, if I found the image I wanted, I'm going to click it, hold my click, and drag it to the spot that I want it. So as you can see, the image is really big. It takes up my entire page. So I don't want that. I just want it to be a smaller size. I don't recommend using any of the center tabs to adjust it because it'll change the way the image looks. So I recommend using the corner. What you're going to do is you're going to, again, click, hold your click, and drag it to be the size that you want. The guidelines around it will show you what it'll be. So you can see when you use the Explorer, it'll cite where you got your picture. And that's how you resize an image.